Hi guys, welcome back to the 9010 project. Great to have you here.
How you doing today? Look, we're just telling you all about our trashy date. So, no, it came out to, I always said at one stage, if I won all the money that I ever needed or inherited lots and lots of money, then I'd actually just clean up where I was. That's how it came about, and we decided, well, actually, I was more practicing. This is crazy. I don't need money to do this. I just need the time. So, where we were traveling, I'd just pick a rubbish bag up and go for a walk with the dog, and that's how it all started. So we decided to move on from there.
And then you would still have money to, buy me all the things that I would like with all that money you're not spending on picking up
Exactly,
trash.
like rubbish bags.
Just kidding. So the first time that we decided to go out and clean up some rubbish around the community, I also figured out that it was both cleaning up rubbish, or trash. If you're American, you'd say trash. It was cleaning up trash, and it was exercising. We would go out for long walks and we did a bunch of exercising. The dog would get some exercise in. You know how much I love saving time, so that was awesome.
Yeah, and kind of also remember when you go for a walk, sometimes you walk along and go, God, it's all this rubbish everywhere. I never said the wrong thing. Rubbish everywhere. And you'd think, oh gosh, they should be cleaning up this. It's like, no, we should be cleaning up this. So grab a rubbish bag and take it with you. It was such an easy thought to just do something different. So yeah, and then that stretched us into what we decided to do as a community benefit sort of thing. That's why we started the program, well, let's trash Tauranga. We've already trashed a few places where we've been, just the two of us, or three of us. Shnolly helped. He dropped some of his own rubbish somewhere, so we have to pick it up. Yes.
Oh, lovely.
No, so it just gave us the idea to keep doing that. So everywhere we go now, we've got rubbish bags there just in case.
In the back of the car.
Exactly, or in the backpack. We go for a walk somewhere on the beach, take a rubbish bag.
Sometimes we make it into a trashy date. That's where we got the name of this video.
Yeah.
So we would make a little date out of it and take a rubbish bag, down a long walk on the beach and pick up rubbish. So
oh, that sounds excitingly romantic, doesn't it? Let's go and pick up some rubbish, babe.
We'd go have a drink or have something to eat, and it just made it into kind of a fun but productive day. And instead of just walking down the beach and complaining about it and being frustrated, we just decided to do something about it.
So that's pretty easy. So keep an eye out. So depending where you are and where we are planning on lots of these in future. We'll do them by ourselves, but we'll also pop them online, and so we'd like to invite some friends. Actually, we'd like to make some friends of people who we don't know, so who could join us from that area. Yeah,
so we recently just had our very first community we called Trash It Up Tauranga. We just did another one of our trash pickup days as part of the 9010 project. So it's a fun day that we all get together and pick up trash around town and get to know each other. So keep an eye out on our channel because we'll be posting details on when the next trash pickup day is, and we'd love for you to join us in person or even virtually. If you haven't already, we really appreciate it. If you would like and subscribe to our channel, it really helps us out and really supports us. Thanks guys, have a great day.